Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up audio in OBS MacBook. So after you've opened OBS, you're going to go here to sources and you're going to click on the plus icon. So there are two ways to set up your audio. It could be through audio capture or through audio input capture. So we're going to click on audio input capture first, then just click on OK. Then over here at device, you can either set it to default, or if you click on it, you will see some other options that you can use. And after that, just click on OK. Now we're going to click on the plus icon again. Then we're going to click on audio capture. Click on OK. Then over here at method, you can set it to desktop audio, or it could also be application audio. Then you can click on application so that you will see other applications that you can source your audio. So I only have 2 applications open. That's why it's the only options available. But if you have other applications open, then you can use that as well. Then just click on OK. Then you can always add more audio sources over here. Just click on the plus icon again, like so that you can add multiple audios. And then over here at audio mixer, you can adjust the volume of the audios that you set up. You're just going to adjust the scale over here like so, and that's it. Thanks for watching.